In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contacts in Gmail. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you feel comfortable and confident in locating your contacts. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that Gmail has a streamlined and user-friendly interface designed to make navigation a breeze. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small grid or apps icon, a square composed of dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a menu featuring all of Google's services, neatly organized for easy access. Within this menu, among the various icons such as Drive and Calendar, you'll notice an icon labeled Contacts. This is your direct gateway to managing and organizing your Gmail contacts. Click on the Contacts icon, and it will direct you to Google Contacts in a new tab. This is like your digital Rolodex, housing all the contact information you've collected and saved over the years. Once you're in Google Contacts, you'll be greeted with a list of all your current saved contacts. This list is intuitive and organized alphabetically by default, making it easy to navigate. If there's a particular contact you're looking to find, simply use the search bar located at the top. Typing the name or email address will quickly filter the list to show the person you're looking for. This is particularly useful if you have an extensive list of contacts. In the main panel, you'll see all kinds of useful options. You can click on an individual contact to see more detailed information or to edit their details, like phone number or address. If you want to delete a contact or group your contacts, this is where you have those options too. If you have a new contact you'd like to add, look for the Create Contact button on the left side of the screen. Once clicked, you'll have the option to enter the contact's information like their name, email, phone number, and more. This ensures you're always able to add others to your growing network swiftly and with ease. Managing your contacts helps you keep your Gmail organized and enhances your work productivity. Remember, if you need to update any information or need more advanced settings, you can explore the Google Contacts settings found at the gear icon in the upper right corner. Take advantage of these features to maintain an organized and efficient contact list. Mastering how to find and manage your contacts in Gmail can significantly streamline your communication process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with the people that are important to you. We'll see you in the next video with more Gmail tips and tricks.